It's been a minute since I posted on YouTube, y'all. I'm back. I haven't posted nothing because my truck's been in the shop for a minute now. Today, we're going to be a good son, and then we're going to do a tune-up on my mom's car. What we're doing today, guys, is spark plugs and oil change. I will change the wires for the spark plugs, but they're pretty much new, so we're chilling. So I'm going to record everything because I got nothing else to do. I'm chilling like a villain. I was gonna hang out with my girlfriend, but no le dejaron. They have her being Cinderella. As y'all can tell, I was gonna record the before and after the tune-up. Right now, I'm going 50. I'm gonna do a little 50 roll. Alright. Stay tuned, boys. Alright, y'all. This little 50 pull. Beep, beep, beep. As y'all seen right there, that was a little 50 pull to 100. I didn't time it, but when I'm gonna edit this video, if I edit it or not, I'm gonna just straight post this whack ass quality. I'm gonna time it. I'm gonna see what it did, how it do. So I'm gonna see if, cause my mom said it's been wasting a lot of gas, and you know, since I'm trying to be the favorite child, this shit, I gotta do shit around the house now, cause ya no trabajo, no soy daddy's money. And yeah, I'm looking for a job, cause why the fuck not? And for all my haters watching this, I'm not getting sponsored by daddy or mommy right now. That's why the truck is in the shop and it ain't done yet. My parents, they do help me out. I guess sometimes financially. Most of the time it is like, I don't know how to say it, but not, I wouldn't say emotionally, but like moral support. There you go, that's the word. They give me moral support. They're like, ya te conozco. If you want something, fuck you. If you want something, you get it. Like, yeah, they're my number one fans. But that's besides the point. A little thank you to them, giving me this beautiful life and blessing y'all with my beautiful ass. We're stopping at O'Reilly's right now on Beach Street because AutoZone's a bitch and they never have shit anymore. I love AutoZone still, you know. Yup. Don't forget to like the video, cause I don't know, it's been a minute since I posted and I'm pretty sure y'all missed me. I missed y'all, you know what I'm saying? If y'all any of my family members watching this, you're probably laughing your ass off and like, damn, Chuck, that nigga fucking retarded. He ain't doing a video. All due respect, kiss my ass. Beer, that's about it. I'm chilling. I put a half a tank yesterday in this car, and it is at a quarter a tank. And it is not a V8, as you can tell. Like, what the fuck? It is a 6 inline, guys. Come on. Gotta make it go to its full capacity, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Alright, we're riding at O'Reilly's Auto Parts. Oh, I'm not sure that's AutoZone, but chilling. This is clean ass Silverado, crew cab, HD front end. I'm not good at reversing. Just kidding. Oh shit, I really ain't. A joke? At first it was just a joke. Oh, nigga. Once again, if the engine does blow up in my face, my last words were, I love my girlfriend, and somebody kill her ass, cause ain't nobody else getting that guap except me, or for lifers. I'm about to show y'all a picture of the ring I got her, cause ain't nobody else gonna have that shit. Ain't nobody else having her except me. Alright. Clean ass truck. O'Reilly's. Alright, y'all. I just came back from O'Reilly's getting all the shit I needed. This shit came out with a pretty motherfucking penny, dude. My mom looked at love her, dude. Swear to God. This shit came around $100, and that's without the oil. I went to a special place for the oil because I get discounted. But no mames, that shit was expensive. Oh Lord Jesus. This is what I got. Look, this little bag right here. That little stuff right there, though. Whole cost it $100. $100. Oh my God. Sunkist like a foot. Bro, where the motherfucking sun at? Hold on. Sunkist like a bitch. Hold on. No Sunkist. Bro, these motherfucking trees hogging my shit out. Only reason I'm stepping on it, mama, if you've seen this, is I'm making this spark plug last before I change them. Oh, see that Sunkist for a second. Oh, I think I'm about to get Sunkist. Yeah, I'm about to get Sunkist. Check this out. Check this out, y'all. Check this out. Y'all ready? Y'all ready to see the sexiness? Fuck, it was for a second, but that's the most beautifulest shit you ever seen in your whole damn life. I swear to you. If I'm lying, I'm flying. I'm just fucking playing. I do not feel like dying. Oh, I'm about to get Sunkist so y'all can see it for the one last time. Oh shit, the green's light green. Yo, I think I'm dyslexic. I know y'all see that. Here, dog. Jesus Christ. Oh Lord, this whole pack didn't be mine. Alright, I'll be back in a minute. Douches. Alright, y'all, I'm back. That hell costed like, holy shit, 5 pints of motherfucking, I don't even know how much I fucking paid. Oh God. But I paid, oh, homeless nigga. Oh my God, they're doing a drug transaction. Officers calling. Oh, holy shit, I'm being serious. No. Just kidding, not drug transaction. They're selling to a fellow Mexicano or Hondureño or Salvadorian or lo que sea, uno latino que era culo de la gaga. You know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Y'all seen that? I'm honestly not looking at the speedometer because andamos recio, cuz. Oh shit. Y'all would ever like to pay me a visit, pull up on Dalford Street. You will see my truck by the time this video comes out. Probably not, I'm fucking lying. Como les dije, no estoy daddy funded, no estoy mommy's funded. Chava's wallet funded, and Chava's wallet is dying slowly. Woo! But while I was in 7-Eleven, I hablé con el mechanic, and he's like, I won't be back till Monday, so I'll be chilling. I'm in a rush, but not a rush to fix this shit, cause by shit I mean my truck. Cause I'm tired of going to school without my truck. It hurts a lot. Porque todos ya me conocen por Snowflake. Pero aquí andamos en mi beautiful casa, mi castillo. Oh, my bad, y'all. I didn't record the beginning part, but I got the first half off. We're about to do the first spark plug. Check them out. We're almost done. We're halfway through. I ain't having no trouble yet. I just need a bigger extension. because I got the little cheap boy shit. Yep. I'll check y'all in and 3/4 of the way done. Y'all can tell. Got this hoe out, or getting this hoe out. It's taking longer than expected. Like that hoe loose as fuck. Just y'all can tell that hoe. Motherfucker. Alright, y'all. My assistant finally came to help me. Bitch, fuck you. As y'all can tell, this hoe is hot. Look how dirty that bitch is. I'm about to put it side by side with the other one. This is the new one. Check that shit out. Hell no, dog. Time to put this bitch in, y'all. Check it out on the video. It's already nighttime. I am on the fourth spark plug. This third one took me a fat ass minute. But hopefully we'll get done tonight because I need to do the oil change too. And I don't feel like waking up early to do it. Update y'all when it's done. Hurry up. Finally done. All I have to do is put this bitch back and then connect the little wire. And it took me like an hour and a half. I know the light went off, or the light, the fucking sun went off, but it ain't that hard. It's just taking off a few pieces, putting it back on. People usually charge $200 to God knows how much, but come for me. Come to me. I'll do it for $60. All you have to do is buy the shit. Cause that house pretty pricey. Yeah, my wallet's broke. Till I get down anytime. Started this hoe up. I forgot to turn off the light. Started this hoe up. Engine didn't blow. We chilling. Good. Everything nice and tight. About to put everything back on. I'll show y'all how it looks when it's done. Alright. There y'all. This is how it looks. Back like this. Put everything back on. Good as new. A little toolbox. That's all I wasted. I only need 6 spark plugs. And that's all. And if you need simple tools, main one you're gonna need is a number 8. And that's about all. And I guess you need this size because that one of those poles bother me. But besides that, we chilling like a villain. We got this whole done in like less than 2 hours. We chilling. And y'all can tell these bitches needed with some spark plug. You know what I'm saying? All them hoes burnt. The spark. Ay, pendejo. I just hit my fucking head. This one goes right there. But they use fucking wall screws for that shit, so I don't want that whole flying out. Right now, I'm about to go all the way to Bedford, pick up my brother. We're gonna see this bitch last. Alright. Deuces. Alright, y'all. We taking this hoe for a spin. It's going pretty good. I'm about to record it right now and do that 50 roll like I did earlier. And I'll let you know how it goes. Alright, y'all, we about to do that 50 roll like I said. And I'm doing it at the same place, same everything. I stepped on it right now by accident and it does feel faster. So, we'll see how it goes. So there's no cops. Alright guys, tighten up. I already feel faster now. I'm at 50. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Y'all can tell it does go faster, or in my opinion it does. It reacts faster. Oh shit. You can also hear in the engine it sounds way different in a good way too. Well, that's all for today, guys. Anything else you gonna say? Nah. Let's go to the day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, y'all. not sure y'all can see me, but yeah.